everyone, we're going to use quadratic techniques to solve the polynomial equation y to the 6th minus 8y cubed equals 0. Now what I'm going to do is use this form here to do this. So I'm going to write this as a cubed minus b cubed. So my a, I need a 6 here, so this is going to be y squared. And I need an 8y here, so this is going to be 2y. Because 2y cubed will give me this back. 2 cubed is 8. So I have my a equals y squared, and my b equals 2y. Now, given that we have this form, we're going to write this as a minus b, so y squared minus 2y times a squared, so square your a, y squared squared, plus 2ab, so this is going to be 2 y times y squared, and then plus square your b, which is 4y squared. All right, now what you're going to get is this piece. I can factor out y, and that's going to give me y minus 2, and let's see what this gives me. Y to the 4th plus 2y cubed plus 4y squared. And this all equals 0. And continuing on, if I set this part to 0, so if I set y times y minus 2 equals 0, I'm going to get y equals 0 and y equals 2. All right. So I have those two solutions. What I'm going to have to deal with is this part. And let me just see real quick. So did I do this 2y? Yes. Okay. So I have y to the 4th, 2, and 4. I'll write this y to the 4th plus 2y cubed plus 4y squared. Let me make sure I did that right. All right, good. Now, I can factor out a y squared. So if I factor out a y squared, I'm going to get y squared plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. Now again, if I set this piece equal to 0, I get y equals 0. But we already have that solution. What we're going to have to do is use the quadratic formula on this. So we have a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals 4. So let's go ahead and use the quadratic formula. Y equals negative b, so that's negative 2 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is just 2. All right, now let's look at this discriminant. This is going to equal negative 2. I'm going to go ahead and put this under 2 like that. Plus or minus 4 minus 16 is going to be negative 12. All right. Looking at this negative 12 can be written as square root of negative 1 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. This is going to give me 2i square root of 3. So I don't know if I'm going to negative 2. Okay, let me see if I can get this. Oops, sorry. So we have y equals negative 2 divided by 2 plus or minus 2. See, I can't remember. Square root of negative 12. Now let's rewrite this as y equals negative 2 divided by 2 plus or minus, and like I said, this is going to be 2I square root of 3 divided by 2. Now what happens is the 2's cancel here. So you get y equals -1. They cancel here. Plus or minus I square root of 3. So here's your solutions. We already got y equals 0, y equals 2, and the other two solutions are going to be y equals -1 plus or minus I square root of 3. So those are your 4 solutions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.